Hello students, today let us discuss about drug abuse. What are drugs? So drugs are basically those chemical substances which when taken help our body to function properly. It is used to cure diseases and also to promote better health and physical, not only physical but mental health. Then a number of drugs are used to elevate anxiety, reduce pain, and also help in insomnia. But there are certain persons who gets addicted to drugs and abuse them by taking them for a longer period than prescribed. So there are certain drugs which are basically abused. Those drugs are known as psychotropic drugs. The psychotropic drugs, if taken for a longer time than prescribed, can form habits. And it is not easy to get out from the addiction. It shows acute withdrawal symptoms, can also take the life of the person. So what are those psychotropic drugs? Let us see. So the psychotropic drugs are opioids, cannabinoids, then coca alkaloids, etc. So first we will talk about opioids. Opioids are drugs or which are obtained from poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum. Now, these opioids directly act on a nervous system. So, it is basically used to relieve pain, reduce anxiety and tension. So, opioids can be categorized as natural opioids, semi-synthetic opioids, and synthetic opioids. So, the natural opioids are opium and its derivatives like morphine and codeine. Opium is generally obtained from the juice of the white poppy capsule, Papaver somniferum. It is taken in the powdered form orally or inhaled, or also taken in the form of injections. It is basically used as a remedy for cold, coughs, bronchitis, or to loosen congestion, and also act as mild sedative if you cannot sleep, means if you have insomnia and anxiety, so it calms your nerve. But people, those who gets addicted to this opium, they shows loss of weight, sterility, and total loss of interest in work. They show severe withdrawal symptoms if the drug is not available to them, and overdose may cause death to the person. Next, from opium, morphine and codeine are derived. So morphine is the active ingredient of opium, and it is used to relieve pain, basically used as painkillers. It is used as analgesic, means painkillers, and leads to addiction if taken for a long time in a higher dose. Codeine is a mild analgesic. Small doses, if taken, do not cause any addiction. It is an ingredient of certain medicines like cough syrup. They lower the blood pressure and breathing rate, causes drowsiness, and produce a feeling of well-being. Next, semi-synthetic drugs. It is a synthetic compound prepared from morphine by acetylation, hence diacetyl morphine. It is also known as SMAC. Heroin is also known as heroin. So it is an illegal, highly addictive drug which is either taken orally or inhaled or injected. And if it is diluted with harmful substances, it is often diluted with harmful substances before injecting into the body. So you can see it can also take the life of a person if it is taken in higher doses. Drug addicts often suffer from secondary illness like blood poisoning, formation of abscess, serum hepatitis, and AIDS. Its addiction causes severe withdrawal symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, shivering, twitching, perspiration, abdominal cramps, and muscle cramps. Synthetic opioids, they are synthetic analgesics, painkiller like methadone and pethidine. They are powerful analgesics and depressants, and effects are similar to morphine and causes addiction. Synthetic opioids are a class of drug that are manufactured in laboratories and designed to have a chemical structure which is similar to opioids. Next, cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are a group of